Hello guys, it's Mr. Tancow. Gamo Tancow, Mr. Tancow. You can call me Mr. Nkomo. So today's was prove my theorems written from your grade 11 theorems. So we'll prove 4 theorems from grade 11, then we prove 2 theorems from grade 12. So these theorems are examinable, so they can choose any. So you must know all the theorems so that you'll be also to be able to apply them when answering some of the writers. Okay, so our first theorem, Lana, is the one that says a line drawn from the center of the circle perpendicular to the chord. What does it do to this chord AB? It will bisect the chord. So in this case we are required to prove, so it's about 5 marks. We are required to prove that theorem, so we're not applying the theorem. So if you when I just say AM is equals to MP, you won't even get a mark. Okay, so now it's just like we are cooking. So when you're cooking, you should know your ingredients, which I need 1, 2, 3. So in this case, in order to prove this theorem, we need ORHS. Remember, when you're dealing with the congruency, we need RHS. We need to prove that two triangles are congruent using our right angle, our hypotenuse, and the side. Then if you follow this ingredient, you're done. So in this case, we just need one thing. Okay, so now when it comes to proof of theorems, you are required to construct, because the construction is about 1 mark. So you get 1 mark for a construction. So in this case, when it comes to construction, you can tell them or you can write in words. You can tell them or you can draw. So in this case, we'll write draw and AO and OP. So draw my radius with my radi. So if you can check, I do have some people will say 3 triangles, 2 triangles, okay, but we do have these 2 smaller triangles. These 2 smaller triangles, it's like they are congruent, but so far now we cannot just assume that they are congruent. You have to prove that they are congruent. So now let's start proving. So where do we start? It says what? R, ne? So in R we look for a right angle. That's 90 degrees. R is for 90 degrees. We look for a right angle. So now we check from our 2 triangles. We are given this sine lega 90. So it means that in 2 triangles, Lana, in triangle AOM, in which triangle? In triangle OMB. So we have a right angle. The right angle here too, it says angle M1 is equals to angle M2. Reason, both equal to 90 degrees. It was given, Okay, that's nice. Then we look for a hypotenuse. A hypotenuse, we know that the hypotenuse is the side which is opposed to a right angle. All right, that's nice. Right angle. If I'm in triangle AOM, where is my hypotenuse? AO. If I'm this side, where is my hypotenuse? OB. What can you say about AO and OB? They're equal. Why? Number radius of the same circle. So radi. So AO is equals to OB. Reason? Radi. Okay. Okay. Now we're left with this side. If we can check, we can say AM and MP. Those are the sides which are left. Okay? But we do have another side, OM. OM is being shared by these 2 triangles. So what can you say about OM? OM is common. So OM is equals to OM. Reason? Common. Don't say common angle, but it's a common what? It's a common side. Haibo. Just prove RHS. So now what can you say about these 2 triangles? Therefore, must stand with therefore we must. Therefore triangle AOM, it's congruent to triangle what is it? I don't know what is it wrong to just if maybe you don't write in that order or what, but it's fine. To triangle what? OMB. our reason, it's RHS. So if maybe we are required to write in order, we'll say it's a triangle BOM. Yeah, but order, most of the time it works when you're dealing with similarity. So now let's check if these two triangles are congruent. What do you know about the congruency? Same shape, same size. So now AO is equals to OB, OM is equals to OM. So what can you say about these two now? Therefore AM is equals to MB. Then finished. 5 marks collectile nje qedile. Why? Unama ingredients wakho, you know your ingredients which are, since I'm proving this theorem, I need these ingredients. You're done, finished. Thank you very much. So what is the date today? It's 09 June 2023. Okay, thank you guys.